can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin XRP. XRP has lost 7% of its value over the last 1 week. It's down 7% over the last 1 month. But the big one is that XRP is still up 373% over the last 1 year. Currently trading above $2.7 in this video. Look at XRP's valuation against the US dollar on a daily time frame. Is it time to sell your XRP bags? Is there still chance for us to pump to new all-time highs? Are we seeing the last point of supply before a dump to goblin town? Look at XRP's valuation against Ethereum, Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market, news going around the XRP ecosystem. Altseason is not here yet. We had a very faint Altseason over the last 2 weeks. I'll be expecting the market to drift towards Altseason. How will that affect the price of XRP? There's fear in the cryptocurrency market right now. Are we going to see XRP's market cap set new all-time highs? Can XRP pump towards the $10 level, the famous $10 level? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. XRP has been flirting with all-time highs over the last few months. We have seen XRP go from as low as $0.3, rallying to as high as $3. Right now, the $3 level feels like the right price for XRP. Many market participants have forgotten that XRP languished below the $0.5 level for more than 3 years. If you zoom out and you see what XRP has done over the last few years, you appreciate where price is currently trading right now. A lot of market participants don't think that, but guys, if you zoom out, if you're holding your XRP since the bottom of the bear market in June 2022, when XRP was trading at the $0.3 level, if you held your XRP since then, right now you're up a whopping 841%. That's very crazy, but you had to hold through the chaos, you had to believe, you had to trust the process. And if you had done that over 1,100 and over 1,200 days, your XRP bag would have been up 841%. That's just from the 2022 bear market bottom. And if you're one of the OGs that held XRP since the COVID sell-off, you didn't sell in 2021, you were up 900%, you saw your investment go down, you're only up 84%. Right now, you're up a whooping 1,400%. Won't you sell for some straight profit? I'm bringing these scenarios to you guys because you have to think like the smartest players in the market. The smartest players, they buy a lot at the bottom, they sell a lot at the top. And I strongly believe the smart players are selling at the top. That's why we have not seen XRP quickly rally towards $10. There's a wise saying that says anytime price start moving quickly, buyers are outpacing sellers. But anything that makes the market stop moving quickly and start going sideways, it means sellers have started outpacing buyers. And that's what I've seen in XRP. This is the longest top we've seen in the XRP. If this proves out to be the top, even the nearest future, we see that, you know what, the all-time high for XRP was just around the $3.5 that we got to in July of 2025. Then this would have been the longest top for XRP because XRP has gotten to the $2.8 level since the 2nd of December 2024. And since then, we've seen XRP down by 39%, but we've also seen it rally up by around 29%. XRP has not been able to rally past the $3.6 level since then. At some point in time, guys, we're going to break out of this range. Easily break out of this range, going to new all-time highs, going to the famous $10 level, or we could break down to Goblin Town. Now, a lot of market participants believe we'll break down to Goblin Town. Right now, fear is back in the cryptocurrency market. Market participants are scared. Why are they scared? Guys, when market participants are used to higher prices, they've seen Bitcoin above $100,000, Bitcoins as high as $124,000, Ethereum above $4,000, XRP has gone to as high as $3.6. A little pullback in price sends fear rippling through the cryptocurrency market. And right now there's fear, and historically that has always been a good time to buy, and that's why I strongly believe the market cycle is not over. You want to buy when there's fear in the market, you want to buy when prices are low so that you can sell when there's greed in the market, and you can sell when prices are high. Just a few months ago, when Bitcoin and Ethereum and XRP was trading at decent prices, there was fear, there was greed in the cryptocurrency market. Market participants were excited. In December, there was euphoria. We're going to all-time highs. But just after some few months have elapsed, we've gone sideways. That same prices is sending fears down the spines of market participants. Don't get carried away, guys. I strongly believe there's that final pump to the upside. We might not get to $10. I'm not one of those market participants that believe $10 XRP is possible, but I'll not be shocked to see a $5 XRP, maybe even a $7 XRP. From where we're currently trading right now, XRP getting to as high as $7. It's a 150% pump. And historically, the final phase of the market cycle is where most of the gains are made. The final phase of the market cycle is when these altcoins go parabolic. That's when a lot of market participants that have been shorting the market will get blown out. We saw XRP pulling out a 388% move in the final 49 days of the 2021 bull market. In 2017, XRP went crazier. In just 28 days, we saw XRP pulling out a 1,600% move to the upside. So I'll not be shocked to see XRP pulling out a crazy move over the next few days and the next few weeks, with XRP trading at the $2.7 level right now, with a fully diluted market cap of over $278 billion. XRP market cap sits at $166 billion. The all-time high for XRP happened on the 4th of January 2018. XRP traded for as high as $3.84 right now. XRP is down 27% from its all-time highs. You want to get some XRP tokens for yourself, you want to sell your XRP, you can do that on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on Upbit, on OKX, and more importantly, guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some XRP tokens right there. New stories going around the XRP ecosystem. XRP faces another 10% dip when will bulls step in. XRP consolidated near $2.75 with bearish pressure looming. On-chain data and liquidity compression suggests a possible dip before a price rebound. I believe we're going to see higher prices. I work with sentiment, with liquidity, and with analysis. Guys, XRP's ETF is going to get launched in some weeks' time. In October is going to be a very, very crazy month for XRP. We saw XRP and Ripple winning the lawsuit. But from the 13th of October to the 14th of November, we're going to be seeing a host of XRP's ETF getting launched, not just XRP. A lot of altcoins are going to get their ETF launched in that period. So don't be shocked to see us rallying towards the 13th of October, towards the 14th of November. That 1 month period might send this altcoins prices going parabolic. And I will expect to see Bitcoin dominance also dumping. Historically, that has been one condition you look out for if you want to get those altcoin season pump, those end of cycle pumps. We see market participants getting irrational behaviors leads to emotional trading leads to higher risks, and that's why you see a lot of people bypassing Bitcoin, heading straight to the altcoin market, trying to get those 10x, those 20x, maybe even those 100x gains that we usually see in the end of the market cycle. And those gains usually come when we see altcoin season. We don't know what altcoin season is. Guys, altcoin season means 75% of the top 50 coins are doing better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period. That's the altcoin season. I'll not be shocked to see a lot of altcoins are forming Bitcoin right now. They're already doing better than Bitcoin over the last 90 days. XRP is up 27%. Bitcoin is just up 2.2% over the last 90 days. With sentiment down in the cryptocurrency market, expect to see improved sentiment because, guys, irrational behaviors are irrational as they are called, but if you want to make money long term, you have to buy low, you have to sell high, and when growth returns back to the cryptocurrency market, that will be a good time to sell for some sweet profit. We look at XRP's performance against Ethereum. We've seen XRP outperforming Ethereum over the last few years. I will not be shocked to see XRP in the final phase of the market cycle continue outperforming Ethereum. Historically, that's what has happened, so I don't think this time is different. So look at XRP's market cap sitting at the $166 billion level. For XRP's market cap to set a new all-time highs again. We saw the market cap getting to as high as $215 billion. That was in 14th of July 2025. For us to set new all-time highs again, we need to see XRP's market cap pump a whopping 31+%, which is possible. But if the top is in, that was one of the most boring top of all time. I'll not be shocked if the top is in, guys. There's a lot of bearish divergence on all these charts, and that's why smart players are selling, and that's why I'm sure whales are going to be on alert. If XRP gives us that final pump, will you be selling for some sweet profit? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.